Hi guys, so video is prohibited from the anime store.
Sa kay Suji Line. Sa bababa tayo.
We're gonna take Sankai Suji line to Shinsai Bashi, I mean. That's where we stay the last 2 years ago. Last 2 years ago. And yeah, that's why I love Japan, because of cold and anime, you know.
One stop lang tayo.
Yeah. We're not gonna take the Mido Suji line. So we are now here. Grabe, I wanna come back again. This is not yet the end. I'll be back in Osaka next time. Expect more in Tokyo. We'll stay there.
There's your ticket namin.
Arigato gozaimasu. Mommy, are we gonna ride the Mido Suji line or?
No, other. We will go to Sakai Suji Line and then go to Nippon-bashi Station.
I'll check
One
the map.
stop.
What color is the sun? Ito? Yung brown? Sakai.
Like red.
So where are
Is it
we
red?
now? Are we in this
Sakai
station?
Suji Line tayo.
Nippon
We are
Bashi.
from MB Sujo. MB Sujo. So that letter red, color red tayo.
So we rode taxi from Babun, from Shinsekai to
4, di ba?
It's a railway. One A. That's an exit.
Hindi, baka may daanan pa.
That's an exit. Right.
Ay, akin.
So we're going to ride the train again. Wala atang car. Okay. Dito? Yes, I got it. Mommy, hold it.
1A.
Next time I'll be the one to hold it. Nope. Yes, there so.
Sana yung pansin natin.
So there's many when you go in Tokyo, Japan.
番線に到着の電車は原流京都川町行きです。停車駅は天神橋筋6丁目までの各駅と淡路、
Ano mo naman, no?
南茨城、茨城と高槻から先の各駅
Nalaba mo ba?
So, we're gonna take the Santay Suji line.
Dumating yan, ano mo yun? Nalaba mo?
Ano, dito tayong train? Dito tayong train? Ah, not there. Nandyan.
Ano? Ina talaga, bakit? Ito po yung pasalang ginamit ko.
Right. So we're here. I can't remember.
Baka hindi nilaban mabuti. Yung now nila. Dapat talaga, ha? Dapat talaga nilalaban, hindi lang downy.
So let's go into Dokbuksin train. Nippon-bashi, and then we'll walk. I think Dotonbon.
The train on platform 1 is bound for Sendai, China.
So it's a chill day. We're waiting for the train.
Ayun na naman kayo, patay na naman kayo later. We're gonna walk again.
Hindi tayo nag-jump sa anime school. Bawal na mag-ibig. Ito na sa train. Sa train. Sayang na. Andun tsaka nagtulog na.
Oo. Pero wait.
Yung anime school yun, yung talaga.
Yung likod, taas.
Style na lang daw yan. Ito yung golden goose naman marumi. Golden goose marumi.
ご利用ありがとうございます。点字ブロックの上に立ち止まったり、バッグなどを置かないようお願いします。また、白い杖をお持ちの方を見かけた際は、安全にご配慮いただきますようお願いします。
Wait.
Ay, nakalagay ko lang dito.
2番線に高槻市行きが到着します。危険ですので、ホーム先から身を乗り出したり、物を立てかけたりしないでください。
Darating na to, 26. Kasi kanina 11:59. Diba nagkabalik tayo? Every 6 minutes. Kaya na.
Up. It's
2
there.
番線に 到着の電車は日本橋、堺筋本町、天神橋筋6丁目方面、高槻市行きです。
The train on platform 2 is bound for Takatsuki via Ipponbashi.
Yan, sabay lang pala. There's another train. Let them in first. So I'll just sit down. Yes, and we're going here.
次は日本橋です。千日前線、近鉄線はお乗り換えです。
Isang station lang
出
tayo.
口は左側に変わります。
So we're just one station.
日本橋。
So blessed to ride the train again.
Tapos exit 4. Number 4, exit.
Laki ng Japan, no? Why so many exits?
2号出口すぐ心躍る旅ここホテル大阪ナンバー
Yeah, because Osaka is
ケア
very
エ
big.
ステブライダル育成のポーズ美容美容専門学校へお越しの方は次でお降りください。
Are you here, Nihonbashi?
千日前線、近鉄線はお乗り換えです。左側の扉が開きます。ご注意ください。日本橋。We will be stopping at 日本橋 Station number K17. Passengers can transfer here to the Sennichimae line and Kintetsu line. The doors on the left side will open. Please be careful of the train doors.
Right. We're now here at Nihonbashi.
お客様にお願いします。階段の窓、ホームが狭くなっているところでは、お互いに譲り合って通行くださいますようお願いいたします。
If you go down, that's another train, I guess. Let's go into the pink Sakairawa train line. So, Nihonbashi. Oh. I think we have been here now. Mommy, I think galing na tayo dito last Thursday. We have been here last Thursday.
Kintetsu Nihonbashi?
I think that's going to, pagbaba mo dyan, that is going to, if you go down, that's going to another train to Kyoto, Kobe, Nara, baka outside Osaka. If we go down, that's going to Hyogo, to the biggest train, the longest train, I think, to Tokyo. Not to that. Mami, dito tayo galing, no? Papunta tayong Dotonbori to meet your friends. Exit number 4. Hindi na, mami. Mukhang empty na. Yeah, I think that's the exit.
4. 4 na ba?
Yeah.
Okay, dumana tayo sa 4 eh. Ito na yung 4.
Hmm. Hmm.
Mahaba yan.
Walk 5 minutes daw eh.
Yan ang hindi natin alam.
No?
Maybe.
Sakay Sushi nakalagay.
Namba.
Nippon Bayashi. Ito na yun. Oo.
Memorize.
Isa tayo.
Parang sa lakad.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi siya sa loob ng state. Ito. Hindi. Exit tayo eh. Lalakad tayo.
Yeah.
Sigurado ko ang exit to. Dapat maraming nagpataas. Hindi. Sobrang pataas.
Grabe, social, no? There are a lot of foods. Mm. Ooh, we have shoes. Let's see. So many beautiful things.
Dulong-dulo pala yun.
Oh, still long walk.
Ay, Mizuno.
So, sa dulo pa ang exit. Ang Philippines magkakaroon ng subway na rin. Hmm. You can take the subway. Pero next time, I'll ask you, can we go back again to Japan next time? Pero wag naman muna Osaka. Let's go to Tokyo, Fukuoka, and Sapporo. Turn right, let's go into the forest park. Ano, dito na tayo.
Kailangan diretso pa tayo. Diretso pa, no? Dito pa tayo. Dito tayo dito.
Yeah, we can exit here.
Ito.
So it's Mitsubishi. So this is the escalator. Yeah, go with Kate. Wow. Ayan na ata. So I think this is Namba. Dotonbori na dyan. Wow! Boys! Malcolm, look! Anime! Another anime store. So I think we're now here. It's another anime store.
I think that's an arcade.
Arcade, yeah. Oh, you wanna play there after we eat? You wanna play? Kaya na nating gabihin dito until evening. Yeah. Street Fighter. I think Adele, no? Yes, sir, anime.
Pwede na ako, no?
Adele would like it. Maruhan Namba. Yeah, we're here again. So we are here. You like to buy again? Oops. Yeah. Gift for your teachers. Your teachers. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people, homies. Joke. So you see,
Ito yun?
Meron tempura din doon, walang pila.
Dole ko na, dun na.
so let's go.
Sabi ni Maddie, must be worth it.
Yeah.
Dito, meron.
It's worth it. Tachinomi Akakakiya, I think. So, yes. Dito tayo galing. Here?
The tempura looks different than the other one.
Okay na yan, Maddie.
Yeah.
The question is, do we have a table?
Okay.
Separate, yeah, two.
Two table.
Oh, uy!
Yeah, tempura. I think I ordered the
Okay na yan, po tempura. Ang mahalaga, may banyo ba? Ayun, may banyo siya.
How much tempura?
Teka, order muna ba?
To rice?
Mama, I like to order the tempura and ito. Yung,
How to choose a menu? Anytime,
The rice?
individual order.
Noodle or rice?
Okay. So this is our Japan trip.
May iba, may ganyan. Tempura sila,
Okay po. So I'll end the video for now first.